Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we got in the building the iPhone XS Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow! Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone XS Max from Verizon Wireless. So if you guys didn't know, I did actually pick up the XS Max. Base model, 64 gigabytes of storage. Check out little Miggy. And I got it in the color you probably see on the thumbnail maybe. I'm not entirely sure. I just got this about 30 minutes ago. Take out the paperwork. Here we go, guys. So I went with the gold because it's the only one that has the new color. So I had to go with that because I want people to know that it's the new one. So here we go, guys. Beautiful packaging by Apple. iPhone on the side. 64 gigabytes of storage. See if we can focus in on that. And as you guys already know, there's no dongle in here. And there's no fast charging. So let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. So if you guys want to know all the specs, I will have that link down below. And stay tuned for a lot of case videos, of course. Tempered glasses are on the way. I don't have one. And on the bottom, you should have a gold type one. See if we can focus in on that. Beautiful shine. Take it out the box. So the first thing you see is your little pamphlet. Pop that out. I should have your Apple stickers right over there. Same thing for the last couple of years. Pop out the phone. There we go. Check that out, guys. So what do you guys think? In my eyes, it's almost like a light brown chocolate milk where you don't have enough chocolate milk, so like it looks a little bit brownish. Almost like a creamish brown, you could say. And on the inside, we have your 1 amp power brick, which I'm very disappointed in Apple. And we have our standard earbuds lightning with no dongle on the back, which is a shame. And we have our standard lightning to USB cable, of course. Nothing's changed there. I probably won't even be using any of these. But back to the phone. Here we go, guys. The first time and the freshest this will be. There you go. Let's power this baby on. I could definitely see from right now the sides will take up the fingerprints pretty well. The gold on the sides look really, really nice. I mean, I think it would have been cool to have the gold all around. I think the back is a little bit almost like a creamish brown white, you could say. But let's just power this baby on. So we'll have a lot of videos, guys, a lot of tips and tricks if you guys are curious about how it is on the first installation, how to screenshot and all that stuff. So stay tuned for more videos of the iPhone XS Max. Hopefully I didn't say plus. And we will definitely see. And as you guys can see from the bottom, you see there's only 4 little circles there. And on over here we have, I think it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. Or actually 6. Oh no, it's 7. And we have our lightning port right here. So that's about it for the videos, guys. This is the unboxing of the Verizon variant of the iPhone XS Max. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.